good morning na daw.
Good morning.
Where are you going today? Going to the school? Not yet pa. We're going to steps for your occupational therapy. Mag-uti sa si Kale karon. Kay naa si Sir. Kisa imong teacher? Who is your teacher? Teacher? Who is your teacher in steps laman, ha? Teacher?
Joey.
Oh, teacher Joey.
Mama, teacher Ninay.
So, da naman si teacher Ninay. Teacher Ninay on Tuesday, your speech. Today, teacher Joey. What day is today? Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Yesterday?
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Okay.
Yesterday is Sunday.
So, going mi karon sa langihan kay naaman dito ang Steps Therapy Center. Saan yung iba? Paan ang ano? Baby love. Rodak naman. Kawano naman put. Okay, look at the sky. Look at the sky.
It's going to the
It's going to rain.
rain.
What color is the sky? Look at the sky.
It's black.
It's black. Raining na siguro later.
The sun goes windy.
What?
It's raining.
Almost now. See, the sky is very black. Na dark na ang sky. Okay. Ayun na ta. Everybody now.
Hello, everybody.
Show your face. Show your face. Say hi. Good morning, everybody. Like that.
Good morning.
Kay gusto mo ka mag-watch-watch aning imong video. Mag-vlogger ka? You want to be a vlogger? Ha? Dali na. Talking na here. Come on. Come on. Okay, you talk. Hello guys. Good morning. Like that. I am going to like that. Sige na, you talk to everybody. You talk to everybody. Talk to the kan. We're here guys in where is it naman ta? Huh? Where? Here in where? What is this place man, huh? In McDonald's. Here guys, no.
Not
Dili man ta mo agi. Going to kuan steps. Dili man ta mo agi. Oh no. Abtan ta need stop. Okay. To stop. Tantag stop. Red light. It's red light. Okay. Red means
stop.
stop. Then go. Green is
Go.
yellow is
Slow.
the yellow color is yellow means ready. Get ready to go. Come here. Kaulan na kaayo. Ulan na po later. Dako kaayong dag. Oh. Stop pa man ang light, ang traffic light. Paingon ni sa iyang therapy kay Padayon pagyapon iyang OT. Bisag sila. Padayon lang gyapon. Para sa kalambuan. Diba, Kale? Kale, how are you? How are you?
I'm 5 years old.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. I'm good. Are you good? Are you okay? Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Pinaganaga. But why is it?
Why so very slang man, oy? Who is your mother? Okay, the light is green. So,
Ready.
ready. It's go. Late na ta mga sa may oras karon. Magkapit na 12. Oh no. Kapit na ta malate ani. Kay 12 to 1 man iyang OT. Awa na nagalindahaw na. Malapit na to, we're almost there. Pero layo pa, my God. You need to hurry, guys. We're late na, my baby. We're late. We need to hurry. Hurry, hurry, Nata, hurry, hurry. Almost there. Pero grabe na ang sky, ang agapong. Wanay na gid ni ba? Okay. Careful, careful. Kung mag-crossing, hindi masyadong magdali-dali sa crossing. Kaya very dangerous. Nakay mo hatog sumpot. Tata, we're almost there. Hurry na dayon kayo. Get inside na dayon kayo. Wait. Okay. Almost there now. See? Steps. Done na ka sa imong OT? Are you done? Yes? Done with Sir Joey?
Let's go. I will go with you.
Done with Sir Joey na ka, baby? Ha?
Thank you. Sit down. You were my high.
Uy, ulan pa man!
It's raining, man.
It's raining, guys. Nahunga na si Kale. Nahunga na si Kale sa iyang OT. Going na po mi sa iyang eskwelahan. Kaya exam pa ni mo, Kale, no? Exam pa ang Kale Aaron. Niya. Sa dihang grabe man. Oh my God. Ay, di na lang tamo kuan bit da kuan light. It's yellow.
Oh, it's red.
We will not beat the red light, baby.
Finally found someone who knows me.
Mag-drink na lang taog water. Sa tag water kaya gutom na. Uy, naamang kay mag-copyright dere. No music kayo because copyright kan mita. Oh, drink water kay nag-drip kuan ka og kuan nagkuan chocolate. Dali. Dali. Come here. Plenty of water. Okay, water is good. Kahasol ani. Uy, kaulan man kaayo. Tay hands. Wala tay hands sa ulan. Maulan na kahapon. Palit na lang. Yes. Hallelujah. Nagpalit na lang mig payong kay di jud mi ani makalakaw og kay nakalimtan ang payong, nakapalit mig ahat og payong. Kay grabe ang ulan. Ay ulan padulong mi sa iyang eskwelahan sa Cyper daw kay exam pa. Exam pa sa among bata, batuta. Grabe naman ni ngano maning wa man ni undang. Ang ulan. Hallelujah! It's raining men! What? It's rain! Kaoy. Di man ta ka naog kay it's very baha. Okay? Mag-hazard ta here. Dapita. Oh. Waiting time. Kamu duha ni kuan. Ni Ravi. Ray.